Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. My name is Sharon, and in today's video I'm basically going to be telling you guys how you can pay your suppliers without using an agent. I know that this is a long awaited video, as so many persons have been asking, and I'm finally here to share this information with you guys. Okay, so I basically just know of two ways you can pay your Chinese suppliers without having to use an agent. Using an agent isn't really a bad option, but some persons might not want to use an agent if they're just starting importation for the first time and they are dealing with some suppliers for the first time, and they are scared of being scammed, so they may not want to like pay their suppliers directly, and they may want to like make all the payments on the app. So I'm going to be telling you guys how you can make this possible. The first method, or the first way that you can do this, is basically to just get a domiciliary account. Okay, so getting a domiciliary account to me is like the best and most reliable way, because you would definitely not be worried of any risk or anything. If you have any problem, you can just easily walk down to your bank, lay a complaint, and they will have the problem fixed for you. Okay, so I currently have a domiciliary account which I opened with First Bank. So the process wasn't really difficult, but it took a very long time because we encountered some issues along the line. So opening domiciliary accounts, all I just had to submit was a valid means of identification, my passport photograph. I also submitted a utility bill, and you also need two references. But for me, I didn't have to go through that stress because the person I went to just basically helped me with the reference, with finding the reference. So it was very easy for me. But we encountered some issues along the line, and it took a very long time. So I was also asked to deposit about $50, because you need to like deposit some money into the account, and this you would have to buy dollars cash, and take it to the bank so they can deposit it in the accounts for you. I don't use my domiciliary accounts to make payments currently, because I don't feel that there is any need to go through all of that stress. But when you have a domiciliary account, all you just have to do is to go to the bank and request for a card, which is just like a normal naira card, and then you can input all the details on the website or anywhere you want to make your payments, and then you make your payments without stress. So when you have a domiciliary account, if you have people who send you money in dollars, you can receive the money in dollars, or you can basically just take your naira to the black market and buy dollars and deposit in the account. So that's what you would use to make all your payments or do everything you want to do. So you can't deposit naira in your domiciliary account to make purchases. Okay, you have to like buy the dollars and deposit in the account to be able to make purchases. So the second method is basically using a third party app where you can get a virtual dollar card. But I don't really recommend this. I'm not saying it's a bad idea, though I have one that I have tried and I've used and it actually worked. But the issue I have with these third party application is because when you have issues, you're not guaranteed that you have somebody you can go meet tomorrow. These people can just basically decide to fold up tomorrow and just have your money stuck there. I'm not trying to say that they are not legit, okay, because I believe that there are regulations or bodies that actually regulate these apps or whatever, right? Why I'm just basically saying this is so you tread with caution. Okay, so I know of two apps that actually offer the services, which is Cheaper and Payday. When I first downloaded Cheaper, I couldn't really use it because the user interface was kind of confusing and I wasn't really ready to like understand the app actually. So I just did not really invest my time in trying to understand how to use the app. But when I came across Payday, I tried to use it and the user interface was really nice, and it was easy for me to understand. As a newbie, it would be very easy for you to understand how to use Payday. So all you just basically have to do is to create an account with them. Then you have to fund your account. And when you fund your account, you can actually buy dollars directly from the app and also request for a virtual dollar card. So when you request for a virtual dollar card, that is what you would be needing to actually make your payments online. So they're actually going to give you information about the card. So it's just like having your normal naira card, but in this situation you can't actually see it. It's not physical, but you can actually have information about the card. So you can, that's what you'll be like using to make your payments and everything. Okay, So I tried using Payday, but I have not used it to like make payments. I've only like used it to pay for Facebook ads, and it really worked. So all I just did was create the account, funded it with some naira, and then I bought dollars directly on the app. I also requested for my virtual dollar card, and then use the virtual dollar card to make payments for Facebook ads. So this you can also use to pay your suppliers on your Alibaba or any website at all. You can actually use it for any international payments, and it's going to work just fine. So like I said, my only issue is that I'm just worried about being scammed, or having my money just be somewhere I can't actually go to get it if anything goes wrong. So like I said, just tread with caution. So I only recommend this option if you are scared to like actually make payments directly to your supplier. If you can actually make that payment directly to your supplier, then why not get an agent, a trusted agent that you can actually use to make these payments. Okay, for me, I pay my suppliers directly because I've actually built a relationship with them, and I kind of like trust them to the extent that I can actually send money to them directly. Okay, but if you don't want to go through all of that, you either get your domiciliary account, which is like the most reliable method, or better still, just try one of these third party apps where you can get a virtual dollar card that I have mentioned. So guys, in my next video, I'm basically going to like show you guys how to set up a payday account and make payments with it. So I hope this video is helpful. I hope you learned a thing or two from my video. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. Also subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and bye.